Hello, we are the original Bring a Trailer local partners for the San Francisco Bay Area, and we want to welcome you to this wicked rocket of a car. It's a 2004 Birkin S3 with a 1300 Suzuki Hayabusa 16-valve 4-cylinder engine, a 6-speed sequential gearbox, and an electric reverse. It's a one-owner car with a clean title and is road registered in California. We'll tell you all about it after a cold start and a quick drive. This car is live on Bring a Trailer. That famous Hayabusa engine provides loads of torque throughout the entire rev range. It weighs under 1,000 pounds and takes only 3.6 seconds to go from 0 to 60 miles per hour. It has under 600 miles since the original build and has just had a performance upgrade from BRG Racing. If you are looking for something that puts a permanent grin on your face every time you sit down, this just may be the car for you. For more information, visit us at Genau AutoWerks.com. Thank you.